Electricity, the greatest innovation of humankind, has established itself as the nervous system of the world, lighting and empowering every aspect of life. Its importance is vital. However, for decades, Nepal struggled in darkness, facing prolonged load shedding up to 20 hours a day, bringing growth to a halt. Now, with the proliferation of hydropower plants in the nation, we have ample electricity to power our country. Yet, there is still a humongous task ahead: connecting this electricity from production to consumption through transmission and distribution. And empowering this connectivity is Litmus. We are Litmus, and we are electrifying Nepal.
At Litmus, what we are doing is we are perfectly aligned with the country's vision of electrifying the whole nation. Since we are a developing country and electricity is the basis of any economy, so we are perfectly aligned with the country's vision, and as our country grows, we go along with the country.
Established in 1977, Litmus Industries, then Lumbini Vidyut Udyog, has been steadfast in its mission of tapping into Nepal's boundless electric potential. Litmus has been ushering an age of progressive changes since 2014 under the purview of Ramesh Corp. Ever in its quest for excellence, Ramesh Corp is 3,000 plus employees strong and operating in key industries in diverse ranges like consumer durables, banking, IT, hydropower, mobile phone and cables. Ramesh Corp aims to take Litmus forward as a listed company. With its commitment to international quality along with modern, innovative management, Litmus will be electrifying Nepal for decades to come.
Litmus Industries, I believe, is not just important to Ramesh Corp, it's also very important for our nation, because we are in the industry of growth, and electrification is a backbone of any economy, any country, any nation to grow. It's a vision of our leaders to electrify as many households as possible.
Litmus Industries today is in the fore of the next revolution of energy distribution and transmission. Nepalese government को आज ठुलो vision एउटा छ कि बढी भन्दा बढी नेपालमा हाइड्रो पावरको जुन पोटेन्शियल छ त्यसलाई हार्नेस गरेर लाई ट्रान्समिसन र डिस्ट्रिब्युसनको थ्रु नेपालीज कन्ज्युमरमा इलेक्ट्रिफिकेसन पुर्याउनु पर्छ अनि एक्सपोर्ट गर्नु पर्छ. So with our products, I think Nepalese government will be able to fulfill their vision. Along with that, a lot of these products are being imported into Nepal. As and when we start making more products and products we are manufacturing today, it will also help import substitution in the country.
Litmus is making Nepal self-sufficient in cables and conductors, providing all kinds of cables to every type of customers. Winning the faith of government, project, industrial and domestic household customers, Litmus has been growing its popularity through quality.
हाम्रो प्रोडक्ट अहिले नेपाल विद्युत प्राधिकरणदेखि लिएर कन्सल्ट्यान्टदेखि लिएर इन्डस्ट्रियलिस्टदेखि लिएर र सामान्य हाउसहोल्डरमा धेरै नै प्रख्यात भएको छ र उहाँहरूले एकदमै माया गरिदिनु भएको छ. लिटमस केबलले जहिले पनि क्वालिटीलाई आफ्नो मुख्य मेरुदण्डको रूपमा लिएको हो र त्यही मूल मन्त्रलाई ध्यानमा राखेर हामीले हाम्रो क्वालिटीलाई एकदमै सर्वोपरि रूपमा कायम राख्नुपर्छ भन्ने ध्यानमा राखेर आफ्नो क्वालिटीमा कुनै पनि सम्झौता कहिले पनि गर्दिन भन्ने कुरोमा विश्वस्त भएर समग्र क्लाइन्टहरूलाई हाम्रो क्वालिटी एक नम्बर 1 हो, नम्बर 1 हो, नम्बर 1 हो भनेर हामी सधैँ भनिरहनुको कारण पनि त्यही हो.
Nepal's largest cable company, Litmus Industries Limited, is true to its commitment to ultimate quality. It has imported world-class, cutting-edge, advanced German technology producing cables and conductors that are durable, high-performing, and economically viable. The workforce Litmus employs are both highly skilled and capable to produce high-standard products.
Advanced German technology, purest raw materials, and strict quality controls define Litmus quality and set Litmus product apart from others. I have 30 years of experience in international cable manufacturing company, including Phenoless cables, Uniplex cables, and Proton Sarala of DRC Congo.
To ensure the quality of Litmus products, all the incoming raw materials, the mid products, and the final deliverables go through intense quality checking and inspection throughout the production process, from start to finish.
Our whole process is centered on our promise to quality. We have a great team of quality assurance and quality control who overall controls the quality control mechanism. Starting from raw material inspection, as per the supplier test certificates, we do the quality assurance test at each production stages on all three mechanical, electrical and chemical parameters to ensure each product meets the customer requirements. Research and development at Litmus Industries is focused on enhancing the product quality in terms of efficiency, reliability and eco-friendliness, along with new product innovations. With the largest manufacturing plant and complete workforce, we are capable of operating 24 hours to meet any volume demand in quick time.
The most commendable part of Litmus operations is its quality, latest German technology and its strong distribution network. To ensure highest quality product, we get raw materials of highest grade and standard. For this, we trust our globally renowned raw material suppliers like Vedanta, Apar, Hindalco in case of aluminium, UCR, Fujira Gold in case of copper, and Baroj, Bihani, Kekalpana and KLJ in case of various types of compounds.
Litmus Industries' devotion to excellence is reflected through quality certifications from ISO 9000-2015, NS Mark, IS, BS, IEC standards, and the satisfaction of its eminent customers.
We have been using Litmus in various projects, in some of the hospital projects, hotel projects, and recently we have purchased some cables for airport project. Sometimes we have special requirements for the projects. Since Litmus can help us in providing those products on case-to-case basis, so that's a big advantage of Litmus.
हाम्रो आयोजनाको पर्फर्मेन्स तथा हाम्रो गुडविल यस आयोजनामा प्रयोग हुने केबल तथा कन्डक्टरहरूको क्वालिटीमा निर्भर हुने भएकोले हामी लिटमस नै प्रयोग गर्छौँ।
हाम्रो ट्रान्समिसन लाइनको प्रोजेक्टहरू समयमा सम्पन्न गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ। त्यो उहाँहरूले टाइममा डेलिभरी दिने गर्नुहुन्छ। त्यो सामान पनि क्वालिटीको हुने भएको हुनाले हामीलाई सजिलो भएको छ।
This confidence and trust from the Litmus customers, team and stakeholders is elevating the company's passion to go above and beyond in electrifying Nepal.
Litmus is moving into future in manufacturing more products in order to create import substitution in line with Government of Nepal's mandate. Along with that, we aspire to extend our R&D to ensure that we are manufacturing the best in class products from our state-of-the-art manufacturing unit. Our focus is only quality, quality, quality. At Litmus, we ensure from the shop floor to the salespeople who are selling our products in the market, we have one core principle and value that we would never compromise on quality, and we would ensure that our brand is touching the heart and soul of our consumers. Litmus today is working with a core value of providing the best quality in its class. So our commitment to our current and future customers is that we will be providing them with the world-class quality at their doorstep, at their home, at a reasonable price.
Nepal, with its surging potential for hydroelectricity, stands at a position of unrealized progress. The future is electric. The future is innovation. The future is connectivity. The future is Litmus. We are here to electrify Nepal together.